Hey, what's up? I'm gonna do a weather radar for Boston and just do and show the snowstorm, which will happen Friday night and to Saturday night and to Sunday morning. So here's tomorrow, 12 a.m. Here's the time right here. And I'm just gonna take away this so you can see, or I can just shrink myself. Alright, bye guys. So, watch the time. 12 a.m. tomorrow, January 27th, 2022. See? 12 a.m. 1, 2. We're in the sun, kinda. The clouds will kinda be going over us, so Boston, you won't get a lot of sun. Some sun, but clouds over it. And now here is the storm that comes. This is Friday, 12 a.m., midnight. Now let me go like this. This is Boston, no duh. Let me change it to that. See? And the storm Friday is gonna be forming. So you see how we have snow right here? Hold on. Change that. Yeah, you got snow there. Oh. Curve. You got snow up there and rain building up here. And this is all gonna go form with the snow. So the rain will go there, the snow will meet like that, and it's gonna be pushed up like that. So basically it's gonna cold air pushing in through there while this is going like this. So it's kind of going in a swirl like that. So, and then the snow will be here, beating that up with snow near Washington and Richmond. And it will bring a lot of snow to us. Like snow, cold. For Boston, right now, shows no rain, but all snow. And we're in the area where we could get the most likely of 6 to 12. But by tomorrow, it could change from 8 to 12. But we don't know that yet until tomorrow. So the snow will be there in the circle, and the rain will be like here. And with this pushing, it'll get pushed like that, while still getting pushed down by this, but also getting pushed like northwest, like that. So that's how the snow is gonna stay towards the coastal line and hit us. And the rain will stay near the ocean and the water. So let me show you that now, because I kept you waiting so long. So this is Friday, 12 a.m. See, 12 a.m. The rain is starting to mix in with the snow, which you will see that. So this is Friday, noontime. See, and by 4 o'clock, 6, 7, see, as you can see, by 6, you can see a rhythm. The snow line is like that. And it's gonna go like that. And it could even go more like that. Because this is getting pushed up. So it depends which way is more force. So if it's going more like that, it's gonna, New York and stuff, Albany, all gonna get snow too. But if this is more, then we're gonna be in the area to get snow, not them. And it could go like that. But I can make that line better because it's gonna go like that. And the rain is gonna be right under. So the rain is gonna be like that. Sorry, such bad drawings. But you can see now. 6 p.m. Friday evening. 7, 8, 9. Oh, you can see right there at 8. This has finally met up. And there's still a crevice right here. So that will kind of, separate the rain, except it's mixing right here. it's gonna get pushed more like that, but we don't know. So let's see the rest of the night. See, look at that. See, 12 a.m. This is where all the storm is gonna hit us. 12 a.m. Saturday. And you can see where it meets. And like I said, that circle earlier, this part is gonna get hit. It's gonna get hit too. It could even spread more to here, like what I said, if it goes like that. And you can see where it separates. And it can even go like that, form right there. But we're right in the area of the snow. Which is a good thing or a bad thing if you like snow or not. And then Saturday. Saturday, 12 a.m. Let's go. See by 5 a.m. A big band of snow. Right there. See, and even 12 p.m. Saturday, you can still see a line, and we're still in the middle. See, so 1 p.m., 2, 3. See, 5 p.m. in the evening on Saturday. Still see that line. And there's the snow. Which it could go more like that. It could go more like that for the snow. Which would be less snow total for all of us. Or it could go more like that. And get parts of New York. You know. Maybe even Quebec. But that's kind of taking it too far. And then the rest of the night, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See? 10, 11 p.m. at night. And then once it strikes midnight for Sunday, you can see that the big band of snow for like non-stop, well, not non-stop, but the heavier band, yeah, is leaving. It's going up like that. And by midnight Sunday, we're already gone from the heavy bands, and the last threat is that. is this part, which will get us an extra inch or two. But that part was really give us probably over a foot, if I could say. So that's as far as it goes. But you can really see it just forming. See? And then you can see. And you can see where it's going. See, it enters Saturday and then shred us for like a whole day of snow in Boston on Saturday. You can just see how we're in the band and it's just gonna happen. And this storm, it's gonna push up like that now. So it's going like, kind of like that angle. With like a little bit of that. Because of this, it's bringing it. With also winds. Let's see. And I'll do a really wide shot of the storm. And you can see where the storm forms of the snow. See how it just keeps getting bigger and bigger because it's mixing in with the rain. And it's just getting it stronger. And then I can do a close-up. See, and look at those miles per hour. 55. See, like, look at that. Alright, bye.